Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Harry Potter fangirl, so let's get started. To draw this cute Potterhead inspired by you cuties, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and draw basically the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across, say about right here, and connect with a curve at the bottom. There, it's a nice round bottom of a U. I'm going to come back to where we started and draw a circle for her eyes. And same thing on the other side, about right here. Now that we have the circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. Now that we have the eyes in, let's come right here on the sides, and I'm just going to spruce it up. Two simple lashes, two curves on the sides. Then let's see here, let's give her a sweet smile. So say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve that slightly goes upwards and cap it off. From there, let's come to the side of the eyes, and we're going to draw her ears. So just draw a curve right here, pop them out. I'm going to put in two little curves for some details, and same thing over here. Then let's start her hair. So I'm going to give her a side part. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to start and give myself a point. From here, I'm going to go ahead and just give her some bangs. 1, 2, nice and simple, and then just bring it down all the way past her ear. And whatever space you have left, just connect it. And then same thing on this side. Well, actually, just a curve on this side. So right here, we're just going to part and bring it down. And then whatever space you have left, go ahead and connect. Then let's come back up to draw her brow. So say about right here. Just going to go ahead and draw a soft curve right over her eye. And if you have enough space on the other side, do the same thing as well. Whatever space you have left. Now that we have that in, I'm going to bring this up a tiny bit more. And then I'm going to come to the center, to the top I mean, and just right where her face is right here, about right in this area. And here. The same point on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right over for her headband. So I have a big curve over there, and then we're going to thicken it up. And when you're coloring, you just put in the Harry Potter colors to decorate it. There, so I got her headband. Let's come up one more layer, about right here, right in the center. And I'll give myself a point, and from there I'm going to go ahead and draw a soft curve coming up on both sides and then downwards. And come in here with a soft line right there. So let's bring this down. We're going to curve, and about right here I'll just start to wobble to give her some curls. And same thing here. Come down, and about right here you can start to wobble. There. So that is pretty much it for this part of her hair. Let's draw her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come to the center right here and give her a little neck. Come down for her shoulders, and same thing here. Down, shoulders. Then I'm going to come back in here and just give her a little neckline curve right here. And let's find her armpit area. So let's say about right here and here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points to start. From there, well, you know what? From there, let's come over here. Let's work on this detail first. Let's give her a collar. So 2 angle lines out and then up. And then we'll give her a tie right in the center. And let's come outside right here. And we're going to draw a curve that comes towards the center. And right back up for her vest. Let's finish this tie. Bringing 2 angle lines down. From there, I need to stop to draw her the book that she's holding. But if you're using a pencil, definitely draw her arms bent and then her vest first before you put in the book. But because I'm using a Sharpie, I need to draw this book first because it's overlapping everything. So this being my point right here, I know this is her armpit area. I'm going to come right here. I'm going to come right underneath this and draw an angle line right underneath this armpit area. And let's come over here first. I'm going to draw a sleeve that comes out. So I kind of know how far to bring this book. So about right there, I'm going to stop and angle my book in. So hopefully I know it's a little complicated, but hopefully it's not too bad. So from this angle right here, this point right here, I'm going to just imagine as if I was drawing those 2 angle lines. So right here and here. So now this sleeve area right here, I'm going to bring it in. And then I'm going to stop. So imagine her arm, it's going to be bent. So about right here, I'm going to cut it off with a line for her hand. And let's come up for her thumb. Curve right here. So bring this book down and bring her fingers down and go up and down. So we're just creating this hand right here, and then you can come in here, 2 curves. And so then whatever space you have left, you can finish this book. Bring it down. About right there, I'll go ahead and connect it again. There. And then once again, imagine this was her arm coming down, so about right here. Create this elbow. There. So hopefully I didn't make that too complicated. And I'm just going to come in here and finish her vest right there, just like the other side. So whatever you need to draw first, just to put in this book. Hopefully that will help. Okay, then from there, now that we have the hardest part in, we can go ahead and just finish her vest, little top right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect right there. And I'll come right here and give it a little trim area and connect. From there, let's go ahead and draw her skirt. So I'm going to come right here and just flare out. Simple little skirt. Bring it out and flare it out a little bit on both sides. And now that we're pretty even, I'm going to go ahead and just wobble some curves all the way across. And if you like to give it some details, you can come in here with some pleats if you like. So there's some simple, maybe just 3 of them. There. Just a little bit different than all the other pleated skirts I've drawn, a little bit simpler. And then from there, let's draw her legs. So right in the center, nice and straight down, about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead, angle, and let's continue down to say about right there. So it's getting thinner as we come down. And about right there, I'm going to start to flare it out for her shoes. A little straight over here and connect. So same thing on the other side. Go right here, come down and flare out a little bit. Then once again, come out. Curve and connect. So for some details, I thought it'd be nice to give her just a regular pair of shoes. So I'm just going to bring this in right here. Curve. And some, maybe some knee-high socks. So say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve right underneath her knees. Now to draw her other arm, so let's come right here and we're just going to bring down the sleeve just like the other side, and about right there is where I'm going to cut it off. And I'm just going to bring her hand down to curve it out. And so this hand has to be holding a wand, right? Because she is the PotterHead. And you have to have a wand. So about right there, I'll stop and draw a thumb. And the fingers are going to be, they'll curve right there. And I'm going to curve around. And then in this space right here, I'm just going to angle the wand right in her hand just to make it simpler. And so then about right here, I'm just going to wobble a little bit for some detail to create the wand. So hopefully that makes it a little bit easier. And then for some details, let's come back in here. I'm just going to put in one more curve right here. And let's see here. On this book, we can give it a spine. And then some, maybe the Harry Potter, the glasses right here. So I'm just going to put 2 circles, connect it. And then the lightning right here. And now to finish her hair, so let's come over here. I'm just going to wobble my way down and tuck it in. So same thing here. Wobble all the way down and tuck it in. And for some details, you can come in here as well. Some curves. And of course, you're gonna have to give her a heart right here because she's my Draw So Cute PotterHead, right? Inspired by you. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this Harry Potter fangirl turned out and I've inspired you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.